All right, let go.
You don't want to let go. You want to get in it?
I did the seatbelts, by the way.
I did the seatbelts.
Jason did everything else.
Hold on.
I don't know about that.
You wouldn't believe how many stickers go on this thing. It's like a page of stickers like this.
What? How
Is the hood open?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Does it have a nice little engine in there?
All right. How do we put it in first gear?
You push it forward, and now she presses the pedal. No, but forward.
All she gotta do is
I
That's
want it in
good.
the slow gear.
Sugar, that's all you do.
Okay. Now what?
Now she presses the pedal.
Press the pedal. Press the pedal.
spin it.
Push her up. She's on the hill. It works better on the
Yeah, if we turn it around.
Let's get her on the sidewalk. That's what we need to get her on.
All right, press the pedal.
To go driving.
Press the pedal.
Turn the steering wheel. Oh. Got to steer it.
Get her on that black. She'll probably go.
You can get some alternating tires.
It'd be funny if a little smoke came out of the back.
Here, let's get it up on the path. Yeah. Yeah. Keep it on the path. Keep it on the path. Keep it on the path. Ada. Ada. Let's keep it on the path, okay? All right, you go for it. Keep it on the path. Keep it on the path.
Bubba's watching you.
Keep it on the path.
Nancy?
Are you sure that's the slow? No, it's not the slow gear.
No, you take a screw out to get the high speed. That's reverse, baby, what you're doing.
No. Ada, you got to keep it on the path, sweetie. Let me show you. Now push the pedal. Turn the steering wheel. Well, Ada's got to steer it. Ada's got to keep it on the path. Ada got to keep it on the path. 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 All right, we're going to turn around here. Let's turn it around. Turn around. Push the gas. Keep pushing it. Push it some more. Push. Push the gas. Steer it. Keep it on the path. 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 Don't you move. Yeah, Santa must have thought you were really. All right, that's enough. Let's stop. Take your foot off. Quit. Quit.
You can just shoot that thing down if you don't want to go anymore.
Oh,
So this is the
it's exhausting.
I didn't even know it had reverse.
Mine didn't have reverse when I had a Corvette. That my dad had to pick it up and turn it around.
Look, the seats are adjustable too. When she gets bigger, you can move it back.
Oh, cool.
Hey, do you like your car?
You like it?
You got a radio, girl.
I wonder if you can put real CDs in it. I think you can.
No, you can't.
It looks like you can.
Are you sure you can?
Yeah, it looks like you
Oh,
can.
no, it's blocked. No, you can't. It does look like you can, though.
She's ready.
Let's ride it to the garage. Florida. Oh. All right, push your pedal.
Florida.
You did good on the stickers, Chris.
I'm a professional.
Keep it on the path. Watch where you're going. You gotta steer it. You gotta steer it. It's kind of like your tricycle. You gotta steer it. Yeah, it's kind of like a tricycle. All right. Turn it this way a little bit. Somebody, Chris, can you open the garage? Can you steer it? Ah, down the path. Down the path.
Whee!
I don't know how we're gonna get it in the garage.
I've cleared space off.
Yeah, but remember, empty these cars.
Well, just take her out. I can get in there.
All right. All right, it's time to get out. Woo! We gotta get ready to go to Papa and Grandma's.